Please welcome. I hope you've had another productive day. Welcome to day 3 of the agenda, making a website in 1 hour. So today we're going to be using the site called Big Cartel, which gives you all the templates that you'd need to set up your website. So this is the page where you would do so. They have different plans. There's a free plan, one for $9.99 a month, $19.99, $29.99. You pick what best suits your business at the time. So if you have a little read through, if you have the time, this is the one you choose. You can also set up with Shopify or Wix or any other free website builder. But this is the one I chose because Cosmic Kiss is set up with this one. So we're going to make a free account just for the purpose of the demonstration today. So initially you sign up with an email. Obviously I've already set one up, so I am going to use another business that I have, which is my baking business. So I'm going to make a website today for that. Give me a moment. And it is called Simply Sweet. Oh no, it's been taken already. So we'll say underscore. Will it let us do that? No, it won't. Dot. No. Number 1. There we go. So let's sign up. And it takes you to this page. Congratulations on your new shop. So if you have a scroll through, have a look at all of the things you can do. Here in the section you can add your products, you pick your theme, set up a checkout, take this pop-up down. All the apps and integrations go in there. You even have a place where you can add all your discount codes and obviously a profile image. Advanced features of being able to track your inventory. So instead of having to keep a track of how much you have of a certain product, it will automatically do that and update it for you. Google Analytics is also very good, and also adding your own custom domain. So initially we're going to go on to your main account page, where you can now edit your shop info and customize your design. So with this, from previous lessons you should have learned, okay, this is my logo, these are the theme colours I want to go with, and how to set that up. So initially we're just going to let the page load. So this is the format that it comes with. It will automatically give you a page layout that they have preset. So all you have here is a company name, your generic pages, and a rolling down there of the pages again. So I'm going to scroll down because I don't like this one. Oh, I'll scroll up. I've come off the screen, but far left there is a tab that helps you come onto the themes. So we're going to have a look, see what best suits my baking business. I'd like something quite clean and sharp, so we're going to have a look for something that reflects that. Scroll back up. I quite like the look of this one. It's called Trace. So you have the sidebar that takes you to home, shop, contact. Click off. You have your main page, your basket. Bag is empty at the moment, so start shopping. No products found because we are just setting up. So if you go on to the little spanner, it will let you adapt. So here, welcome image and header logo. I have a logo that was already set up for this business, so I'm going to just locate it in the files. She says, bear with me, there we go. That should automatically upload and place it on your page. There we go, there's the little logo. we can have a welcome image as well. So I'm going to take one of the product photos I have for my business. Let's pick a really pretty one. Let's see what we have. I like these cupcakes, so we'll use this one. Oh, it's still loading. We'll save that. So it's saved all of our settings. Now if you want to change your background colour, you can do so. Set it to what you want it to. For this, I quite like the look of the white, so we'll leave it. Your text colours, secondary texts, welcome background can be changed as well. Welcome text and error text, so how it lights up on the screen. You can also have a welcome message. So I'm going to put tantalising your taste buds. Welcome button is start shopping. Now you can also adjust how many products you have on the page, or you can have categories that you click into. So featured items, I'd like, actually 3 is a good amount, so they'll turn up here. I'll show you how all of this turns up once we've added products on the page as well. Products per page, you can adjust that. It would be good to have about 6. And product alignment, I'll have them centered. You can also pick what you'd want to be displayed with the pricing, so currency sign, currency code with the sign, and then all of your social handles go down the side here. So you have Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram and Pinterest. So I'm going to save this for the moment. We're going to come out, add some products so you guys can see exactly how your shop would look on this format. So we go up here, the product section, add a product. I'll add about 3 just so we can get a gist of what's going on. So generically I'm going to call it cheesecake, description, vanilla, oh, we can't spell today, vanilla flavored cheese. Oopsie, that's just, thank God for Grammarly. Manage categories, we can add a category and call it cheesecakes. Save. Done. So this will be, call it vanilla cheesecake for the sake of the category. And here you can edit whether you want your listings to be active, hidden, sold out or coming soon. So we're going to say it's £7. 4 jars product. You can also add individual options. So if you had, for example, a colour variation, so taking giftable accessories for the point of us marketing for her this week, for her bracelets she can have a pearl, a pink and a blue. She can list all of them here. So for this, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. So instead of having to create separate listings for each thing, if you have one product that has different flavours, colours, sizes, you can list them all here with the varying prices. So it's a drop down when people come. So because we've done that, there's no need to specify that it's a vanilla cheesecake. You can also add your shipping here, change it by country. So United Kingdom, let's say it's £2.50 to ship. And with others is basically if a customer is buying this product with something else, how much more postage do you need to put on top to compensate for the weight? So we'll say 70p. US tax code, you don't need to fill this out because we're not within the US. And here is where you will add your product image. So again, I'm going to go onto the images I already have, add something cute. I'm very picky, so this might take me longer. We'll just add this one. Right, save. And with this, you can add multiple images. Okay, not with the free plan, but with the website builder I have, you're able to add up to, I think it's 5 images, so you have a run through so customers can see the product from different angles or see the variations of the colours, the sizes, the flavours. So back to products, we already have one product up there listed, and on the free profile I do remember it says we can list up to 5, so we'll add 2 more. Call this one Cupcake. Vanilla flavoured cupcakes or avail. I'm making the descriptions very simple, but you get the gist of what's supposed to go there. You can make it more descriptive to draw more interest. Obviously, there's a certain way you can make your captions pop, but for the sake of the time constraint, I'm making it simple for you. Cupcakes will say there, £10. Individual options, so you can come as a box of 4, 12, 24, just so you can see the variants in drop downs when we come to it. Oh no, we don't need another one. Delete. Shipping, say there, £5. With others, plus £1. Add a product image. Oh, let's go down. We'll go with the pink. We'll let us scroll up. There we go. Save again. Okay, what have we missed? Oh no. Okay, that doesn't want to let us change it, so we'll have to delete the field. Make sure you add the country, otherwise it will not be happy with you. 5 with others. We said 1. Save. Hopefully that will let us go now. There we go, back to products, and we'll add 1 more for the demonstration so you can see how it's laid out. Call this one Cupcake 2. Chocolate. Design your Oh, did it just delete everything? Yes, it did. Wow. So chocolate, as you can see, it can be quite a stressful thing, but once you have the final product, it's so satisfying to know that you've set it up yourself. Okay, we'll leave it there because that's fine. Category, put it in cupcakes. Price, go for £10 again, that's what we said. 6, 12, 24, said £6, oh, not 2, and 20. And again, we'll do the shipping. So it's pretty straightforward, as you can see. You just edit as you go along. I'll also show you what else you can do with the shipping methods. And so we said, what was it, £5 and then one for additional. Add your product image. So this time I think we'll go for the blue ones. This one. Open the file. Wait for it to load. There we go. Another product image. Another product for the website. Right there. Okay, so we can see we have our products listed. Cupcake 2, cupcake and cheesecake. So if we go back onto account, as you can see you've completed 30% of your shop setup, so it will give you a walk through everything else you need to fill out. And we're currently on maintenance mode, which means no one can see the updates we're making to the site, which is really good for the times that you need to update your website and refresh it, rebrand, or whatever it is you're doing. So we'll let the page load so you can see what has been updated. So as we had set a welcome image, that has filled the front page. Tantalizing your taste buds for our welcome message. Start shopping. Then we have our featured products, Cupcake 2, shop now. We can see the next featured, cupcake and cheesecake. So if we click on the shop now button, it will take us to the page for where we can come and now pick whichever cheesecake you want. Vanilla flavoured cheesecakes in hand decorated glass jars, 4 jars of product. So vanilla, add to bag. As you can see, this is a setup for your checkout. So when you click checkout, I'll show you the... Okay, when I take maintenance mode off, I'll show you how that's set up. So we can go back to our home page, which sets us here. Shop. As we specified, we wanted 3 products per row. So if we had another 3, it will be 1, 2, 3. Now this is another thing. Ladies, if you want consistency with your website, make sure your image sizes are the same. This is really good because for the fact of this one here, because it was taken in a landscape format, it's come out smaller. So what you want is everything to match up in size. If you're going to take product photos, make sure they're all the same way so that when you are uploading, it's all equal on your page. But again, if you just click into the product, you can see it's going to take you to the page you set up. Select the number of cupcakes you want. As you can see, it's adjusting the price there. Okay, so we're going to save that. Once you're happy with your layout, you can go around, tweak things. There's so many things you can do with this, including adding new pages. So let me show you how to do that. So we're going to call this page reviews. As you can see, it turns up in the corner there. So in the text part, we'll say something like, please leave So here you could also sign up to Google Reviews or any other widget sites that Big Cartel supports. And what you do is on that site, it will give you a coding sequence that you would copy and paste into this section here, and it will automatically link your page to your review site. So all your reviews are going to the right place. So now we have that. We'll click save. So when you click on this bar, we have home, shop, reviews and contact now. I'm going to quickly show you how to also add your socials. So down here we have Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram. So if I search for Simply Sweet on Instagram, hopefully it's going to let me, it's going to like me. So open up Insta. Search for Simply Sweet. we go. And I'm going to just copy and paste that whole URL in there. Right, click save. Onto the home page. There we go. And the Instagram logo will turn up there. With this page format, it should also turn up on your landing page. So let's locate. No, okay. With some of the templates, you'll have your logos either up here in this section or down here where the contact information will be. So it's just dependent on the theme that you pick, but I can also help you to code to put it elsewhere on your page if that's what you want. So make sure that's saved, exit, and I'll show you other features of the website as well. So on here, like I was saying earlier, you can set up your different shipping profiles. If we can find them, here it is, edit shipping. So in this section, you can basically have default profiles. So you know with Royal Mail, they'll have different forms of shipping. So you have standard, next day, or customer pickup if that's an option you want. So we'll say for standard, approximately 3 to 5 days. So that's £5, each additional £1. Save. Next day will be a little more expensive. We'll say it's £7.50. Again, £1 extra with every additional. And we'll make customer pickup free. So if we haven't picked a country zone. We'll say for the United Kingdom, save. You can also pick which countries that you want to ship to as well. So if you wanted to add the US, any European country, you can specify whatever you want. So we'll show you what that does when we get to it. Now with payments, that is pretty straightforward as well. I just love the fact that Big Cartel is really good with the instructions that they give you on how to set everything up. The main point of addition for payments is Stripe. It basically allows you to take card payments from customers. Because it's new within the UK, payments do take up to 7 days to reflect in your account, so you might need to weigh up the options on whether you want to use Stripe or not. I know they're trying to update it so that payments come the same day as they do in the US, but it's a really good, reliable way to set up payments, and it also tracks whether anyone is trying to do fraud on their payments, so it's really good for that. Obviously we have PayPal as well, which is great and secure. You'll get your payments more instantly, but you need to make sure you have a business PayPal set up. Go back. You can also set up Apple Pay on this as well. It has Google Pay, very versatile. At any point that you want to update your billing, that's right there for you. So you pick your plan, security, changing your password, phone number, and it will also tell you which devices are active, which is really good for your personal security of your business account. So if we come back up here, I'll show you some other pages. This is where all your orders will land. So anyone that purchases something, it will come down in a list here. So when you open each profile, it will tell you their address, their email, any contact info you need to send that item. It will also give you an option to paste in the tracking number for your customer, and it will send it to the email linked to their profile for you. Right, we also have a dashboard, and this is where all of your analytics will show up. So it will show you the purchases you've had over the month, your conversion rates, your profits, how many customers, how many people have viewed your website, how many people have clicked on each type of product. So you'll be able to analyze and see which products are more popular than the others. It's really, really good for tracking your development. And obviously I said about discounts. You can add discounts here, so whether it's 50% off, free shipping, anything you want. You can set the duration. You can say once it's used once, it'll expire. Really, really good. So if we go back onto products, I'll show you something else you can do. So bulk, okay, no, bulk editing is not available. So I'll click in. Now here, when we click sold out, let's say, and click save, back to products, and then on account, and then we take it off the maintenance mode so you guys can see your actual page. Launch the shop. Congratulations! You can then share your link on your Facebook, Twitter, or through emails. Make sure you're getting that marketing out there. And here we go. This is what I was talking about. So it will show you conversion, revenue, visitors, orders. So across the month, every single day. As you can see here, it's listed down there. You have all your products here. It will show you the views, how many you've sold, and the revenue you've made from them. And it will show you the category points as well. So if we go on to account and then click onto the link, here is your website. So we go, our landing photos, some yummy scrummy cupcakes, tantalizing your taste buds, our lovely preview section, cheesecake. So click shop now, and it should tell you, there we go, sold out. So customers will not be able to buy it. They'll still be able to look to see if it's available in the future, but they won't be able to buy. So back to the home page, you can preview, go through all your pages. It's great to just see how it looks in real life, but that is the simplest way to set up your website. If you want to learn how to set up any of the widgets, any linked review pages, how to set up Apple Pay, how to set up your checkouts, get some calendars on there, so for people who are providing a service rather than a physical product, then I can help you with that. So please do drop me a message. I will just show you the main integrations that Big Cartel does offer. So they have a list of different apps and integrations that you can use. So we have marketing and promotion apps, manufacturing, store management, apps by Big Cartel, payment processors, and domain providers. It's also good to make sure you have your domain set up. So they've very, very kindly listed all of the places that you can get them. So do have a look through them. I personally used this one. It was pretty straightforward. I paid 99p for all of mine. So I bought the .co.uk, .org, .net. So very good for that. If we go back, I'll show you the payment processors, which is the main thing we want. So we have Stripe, PayPal, PayPal Credit, Venmo, all sorts, Apple Pay and Square. So it will tell you how to set those up. Marketing, which is really good. MailChimp is a really good app for those of you that want to set up email email forms. So I will show you what I mean by this. If I load up my website, oh no, that hasn't done what I've wanted. Sorry guys, bear with me. There we go. So we have the landing page, and normally the pop-up should come up, but because I've searched my own website so much, so what it initially looks like, it will be a box that pops up here that says sign up now for our mailing list and you'll get 15% off your first order. If there's anything on my main website that you've found that you like, do let me know. I can help you set up with your own websites and get you running, but we'll have a little look through. So I have my home page, which runs through with all my featured photos. I also have a shop now, so it will take you straight to my product page. give it a moment to load. So all the lip glosses I sell are featured here. If you click into one, I loved this theme in particular because it just looks so clean and crisp. You can see all the products you want without overcomplicating it with too much going on the page. Today my internet is very slow, so you do have to bear with me. If that doesn't want to load, then it's fine. But we do get the gist. Also with Big Cartel, I did find a company that lets you upload gift cards. I made the artwork for the gift cards on the app that I shared yesterday called Canva. So as you can see, people can buy gift cards with different art. We have happy birthday one, congratulations, really good for graduations or promotions, have a treat, happy Mother's Day, which was a really good one at the time, and then of course Valentine's. So that's really good. Gift Up, which is also available on their apps that they recommend. So do have a look through. If anybody's stuck with anything, I do have an option to help you set up with your website. So if that's an option that you want to explore, drop me a message. But I hope this has been a level of helpful for those who are yet to set up their websites, not too sure what to do, just want the basic run through. But it is really simple, and it's something that you can do in actually less than an hour because we didn't spend too long on it. So this is a really good one because it isn't as complicated as Shopify, for example, because I do have a website with Shopify, but it's a more tedious platform to use. And if you're a beginner, it might be a bit confusing. So this Big Cartel is perfect for anything simple that you need done. But thank you so much again, ladies, for tuning in. I know this one was a really long tutorial, but I hope it was as engaging as it can be. Again, if you have any questions, you want any help, you'd like me to set up your website for you, just drop me a message and we'll get the ball rolling. Stay blessed, ladies. Take care. Bye.